How to roll and repair option positions. Welcome to tutorial on rolling and repairing option positions in SecureGate journaling portal. Rolling is a common strategy used when you want to close an existing position and open a new one, typically to avoid assignment, extend your trade duration, or adjust your strike price. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process, step by step. What is rolling? Before we dive into the mechanics, let's understand what rolling means. When you roll a position, you're essentially doing two things. First, you close your current option position. Second, you open a new position, usually with a different expiration date, strike price, or both. For example, you might have a put option expiring this Friday that's getting close to your strike. Instead of risking assignment, you roll it out to next month at a lower strike, collecting additional premium in the process. SecureGate portal tracks these relationships through Roll Manager, giving you consolidated statistics across all linked positions. Step 1. Close the original trade. Let's start with the first step, closing your original trade. I have an open put position here that I want to roll. In the Edit Trade form, I need to enter the closing details. First, I'll set the status to roll. This tells us that this trade was rolled into another position, not just closed. When you select Roll for the first time, you'll see this helpful tutorial dialog explaining the process. If you're already familiar with rolling, you can check the Don't Show This Again checkbox at the bottom, and it won't appear automatically in the future. You can always access it by clicking the question mark icon next to the status field. Next, I need to enter a close date. This is the date I'm actually rolling the position. Let me select a closing date. Important, keep the original expiration date unchanged. This is the expiration date of the position you're closing, not the new one you're rolling into. Now, I need to enter the P&L for this leg of the trade. This is the profit or loss from closing this specific position. If I bought back the option for more than I sold it, this would be a negative number. If I bought it back for less, it's a profit. Now let's save this trade by clicking the Save button. Step 2. Open the new position. The second step is to create a new trade for the position you rolled into. Click the Add Trade button to open a new trade form. Here's the critical detail. Set the open date of the new trade to match the close date of the rolled trade. This is how the system knows these two trades are connected. Enter the same ticker and fill in all the details for your new position. Select your strategy. Enter the new strike price, the new expiration date, whether it's a put or call, your position size, and the premium you received or paid. Let the system enter the underlying price and calculate the Greeks for you, or adjust them accordingly. Finally, save the new trade. Step 3. Link the trades with Roll Manager. Now comes the final step, linking these two trades together using the Roll Manager. Go back to your trade list and find the original trade, the one with status roll. Click on the trade to open the Edit form. You'll notice that when a trade has roll status, a Roll Manager button appears in the header. Click the Roll Manager button to open the Roll Manager modal. The Roll Manager shows your source trade at the top. This is the original position you rolled. Below, you'll see an info box explaining that the system is looking for trades with the same ticker that were opened on the same date you closed the rolled trade. The system automatically finds potential target trades. Here you can see our new position that we just created. It matches because it has the same ticker and its open date matches our close date. Simply click on the trade card or check the checkbox to select it as the roll target. You can select multiple trades if you're doing a complex repair or adjustment, like rolling into a spread or more legs position. When you're ready, click Save Relationships to link these trades together. Once trades are linked, you can view the complete roll chain and consolidated statistics. Let me show you how. Open any trade that's part of a roll chain and click the View Roll Chain button. The roll overview displays consolidated statistics at the top, including total number of trades in the chain, the combined P&L across all positions, the total ROI calculated from all legs, and how many trades are still open versus closed. Below the statistics, you'll see the roll chain, a chronological list of all linked trades. The original trade is marked with an original badge. Each subsequent trade shows an arrow indicating the progression of the roll. Each card displays key information: the trade ID, ticker, strike and side, number of contracts, expiration date, days held, and individual P&L. This gives you complete visibility into how your rolled position has performed over time. Here are some tips for effectively managing your rolled positions. First, always ensure the open date of your new position matches the close date of the rolled position exactly. This is how the system identifies related trades. Second, enter accurate P&L for each leg. The consolidated statistics are only as good as the data you enter. Third, you can link multiple target trades to a single source. This is useful for complex adjustments where you might roll into a spread or split a position. Fourth, remember that you can access the Roll Manager at any time by editing a trade with roll status. The button appears in the form header. And finally, if you're new to rolling, don't dismiss the tutorial too quickly. Keep it enabled until you're comfortable with the process. That's all you need to know about rolling and repairing option positions in the SecureGate portal. The Roll Manager helps you maintain a complete history of your position adjustments and provides consolidated statistics to evaluate the overall performance of your rolled trades. If you have any questions, reach out to support. Happy trading!